Yes, very good morning to all of you. So let us start with the revision of the next chapter. We have finished understanding quadrilateral with revision. So let us start with the revision of algebraic expression, chapter number 9 of your book. Chapter number 9, right? So let us start with the concepts. First of all, we did the definition of an expression, an algebraic expression. It is the combination of variables and constants. It is the combination of variables and constants attached with arithmetic operations like plus, minus, multiply, division. Combination of variables and constants. Variables and constants. Variables क्या होते हैं? Whose value varies. If I say x, whose value is not fixed. If I say x, then that x can have value 3 for one person. That x can have value 4 for the another person. Then x can have that value, that x can have value 8 for the another person. So variable is that whose value varies. What about constant? Whose value is fixed. That is called constant. So let us form some algebraic expression. When I will mingle the variables with the constants by using some mathematical operations, arithmetical operations, that means plus, minus, multiply, division, I will get the expression like this: x plus y, 2x minus y, 3x into y, 5x divided by 4y. So these all are algebraic expressions. These all are algebraic expressions. Right? This is the algebraic expression which is containing how many variables? 2 variables, x and y. This is also containing 2 variables, x and y. If I write it to be 2x plus 3, it will be algebraic expression containing 1 variable. Okay? Then we did how to represent algebraic expression using number line. For example, if you want to represent 2x plus 3 on number line, what you need to do? You have to take scale 1 centimeter के gap पे. This is x. Right? This is 2x. और उसके आगे कितना distance लोगे? 3. So this point A, it will represent 2x plus 3. ठीक है? x plus x, आगे 3 distance. This is 2x plus 3. If you want to represent x minus 4, suppose this much is x. Minus 4 means 4 कदम कहाँ आना? पीछे. So here A will represent x minus 4. A will represent x minus 4. Right? Then we have defined terms, factors, and the coefficients of the terms. What are the terms? Let me tell you. If we are talking about terms, suppose we are having an expression 2x plus 5y minus 6. I want to write its terms. Terms means plus या minus sign के बाद आने वाला expression. So this is the first term. This is the second term. When you are writing third term, you have to consider the sign as well. That means it will be minus 6. This way, you will detect the terms of an expression. Suppose I'm writing 2x, y, z, p, q, r, s, t, a, b, c, d. How many terms are there in this expression? Only one term. Until or unless plus and minus का sign नहीं आता, there will be only one term. Because there is multiplication sign in between. So clear a term सबको. What is terms? When we are getting the expression with the plus and minus sign, in between plus and minus sign, whatever values will be there, they will represent the terms of an expression. Let us start with factors. Factors of an expression. So when we are talking about factors, factors बेटे हमेशा terms के होंगे. जैसे कि अभी अभी हमने terms करी थी 2x plus 5y minus 6. Expression में से term निकली. This is 2x. These are terms. और terms के आगे क्या होते हैं? Factors. 2x term है, इसके दो factors हैं. One is 2, another is x. 5 and y. And this is minus 6 itself. Minus 1 and 6 भी लिख सकते हैं. Product of factors. जैसे मान लो हमारे पास टर्म कोई हो 7xy. So how we will write its factor? 7x and y. 7x and y. These are the factors. पहले हमने टर्म्स निकाली, टर्म्स में से निकले फैक्टर, और हर एक फैक्टर का बेटे एक कोफिशिएंट होता है. ठीक है. सो हर एक टर्म का एक कोफिशिएंट होता है. सॉरी, चलिए लेट अस डिफाइन कोफिशिएंट. कोफिशिएंट को हम न्यूमेरिकल कोफिशिएंट या सिंपली कोफिशिएंट कह सकते हैं. न्यूमेरिकल कोफिशिएंट और सिंपली कोफिशिएंट. If we are talking about 2x, then numerical coefficient means just hide the variable. You hide the variable x, but is left with you 2. So coefficient is 2. You hide y, this is 5. Here it is no variable is there, so it itself will be the coefficient. If you write the coefficient of 7xy, this will be 7. So whether in exam it is written coefficient or it is written numerical coefficient, you have to write it accordingly. Now, as we have defined terms, so let us classify the algebraic expressions on the basis of terms. Algebraic expression on the basis of number of terms. Algebraic expression on the basis of number of terms. Suppose हमारे पास expression having only one term. Only one term. For example, this is 2x. It is known as monomial. It is known as monomial. ठीक है? Then second, algebraic expression having two terms. For example, 2x plus 3y. This is having two terms. It is called binomial. Right? Algebraic expression having three terms. Having three terms. For example, if I'm writing 2x plus 3y minus 5, this is called trinomial. Bicycle, जिसके दो व्हील्स होते हैं, बाय, ठीक है. ट्राई कलर, जिसमें तीन कलर होते हैं. ट्राइनोमियल, जिसमें तीन टर्म्स होती हैं. राइट? Then let us define. अच्छा, इसमें पॉलिनोमियल मुझे लगता है में है ही नहीं अभी ना, बस आप इतना याद रखो. Let us see. Try this का second. Construct three binomials with only x as variable. Three binomials बनानी है जिसमें सिर्फ x ही हो. ठीक है? क्या बना सकते हो आप? 3x plus 2, 5x plus 5, 9x plus 9. Having two terms, they are known to be binomial, and they are in the variable x only. सिर्फ x वेरिएबल में. ठीक है? ऐसे ही you can do the rest. Now next we define like and unlike terms. Like and unlike terms. Like terms. When we are talking about like terms, they are the term whose variable involved in the terms, if they are same, they are called like terms. For example, suppose I'm having 7x square y. Next I'm having minus 5yx square. Next I'm having 8x square y. No need to look at the constants. Constants can be different. Constants different हो सकते हैं. They can differ. We just have to look on the variables. If we see the variable x in the first term, it is x square. It is also x square. X square. Okay. If we see the second variable y, y, y. That means all the variables in the terms, they are the same. Same हो गए. इसका मतलब ये हुआ, these are like terms. Let us define unlike terms. Let us write a group of unlike terms. Unlike terms are those terms which are not like. That means जिसमें वेरिएबल के कोफिशिएंट जो है वो डिफरेंट होते हैं, सेम नहीं होते. फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम राइटिंग 7x square y, 2x cube y square, 5x raised to 4y. Here it is x square, it is x cube, x raised to 4, altogether different. Here it is y, this is y square, this is y, altogether different. So these are unlike terms, right? And remember, whenever we do addition, subtraction of two algebraic expression, then in addition, only like terms can be added. And even in subtraction, only like terms can be subtracted. In addition, subtraction, the role of like terms, it matters a lot. In addition, subtraction, only like terms can be added and like terms can be subtracted. Am I clear? Chaliye, let us start with the next topic, addition of algebraic expression. Addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. Suppose I am taking example. According to example, we will deal this with example, with the help of example. Suppose we are having 7x square minus 4x plus 5. This is a one expression. Another is 9x minus 10. There are two methods to add it. One is called horizontal method. I will discuss both. You see accordingly whatever you like. First, I am taking up horizontal method. Horizontal method means we write the algebraic expression in a horizontal way. So first I am writing 7x square minus 4x plus 5. ऐड कर रहे हैं तो बीच में प्लस का साइन, 9x. Now only the like terms can be added or subtracted. So if I see 7x square, इसके जैसा कोई भी नहीं है, तो it will be written as it is. x वाली टर्म्स को इकट्ठा करके लिखो, like terms को कंबाइन, कॉन्स्टेंट्स को इकट्ठा करो. ठीक है, like terms को इकट्ठा करके लिख लिया. It becomes 7x square. Match up the sign, plus minus minus. 9x minus 4x is 5x. बड़ा 9 है तो साइन प्लस, प्लस माइनस माइनस. 10 minus 5 is 5. बड़ा 10 है तो साइन. This is the horizontal method to add two algebraic expression. Yes, Jayant, can I have your doubt?
मैम एग्जाम में हमें पूछा जाएगा कि हॉरिजॉन्टल में सॉल्व करें या वर्टिकल में, कि सीधा ही आएगा ऐड?
बच्चे डिपेंड्स, आपको दोनों आना चाहिए. टीचर किसी भी तरह से पूछ सकते हैं, है ना? ओके मैम. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम ट्राइंग कि आपको दोनों एक बार सिखाऊं, राइट? So this is horizontal method in which like terms are combined like this and answer is. Now let us discuss the vertical method of addition. Vertical method. So when we are talking about vertical method, we have to arrange it in the vertical order. How to do it? Firstly, write the first expression. Now like terms are to be arranged one over the other, right? If I see 7x square, यहाँ पे x square जैसी कोई टर्म नहीं है, छोड़ दो. If I see minus 4x, तो इसके जैसी कौन है? 9x plus 9x. इफ आई सी कांस्टेंट 5, उधर कौन है? माइनस। लाइन लगा दी। As we are adding, no need to change the sign. अभी subtraction करेंगे तो then I will tell you we have to change the sign. But in addition, there is no need to change the sign. Always start from right side. इधर से नहीं ऐड करना शुरू करना, हमने राइट हैंड से शुरू करना है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विल मैच अप द साइन. कैसे? प्लस माइनस माइनस. 10 में से 5 गए 5. बड़ा इज 10. घर में बड़ों की बात मानते हैं ना, मैथ्स में भी बड़े नंबर का साइन होता है. साइन 10 का माइनस. देन प्लस माइनस माइनस. 9x माइनस 4x 5x. बड़ा 9 है तो साइन किसका हो गया? प्लस. इट इज 7x स्क्वायर, इट इज अलोन. ऐसे आ जाएगा नीचे. This is a vertical method to add the two algebraic expression. Whether we are doing vertical method or we are doing horizontal method, the like terms arrangement, it matters a lot. If you don't know how to arrange the like terms, you will not be able to do the addition properly, right? Now I will tell you about the rule of subtraction. In the both way, I will tell you subtraction, as I told you addition. Question is subtract 5x square minus 4y square plus 6y minus 3 from 7x square minus 4xy. मैं यहाँ लिख देती हूँ. From 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3. From this, subtract this from this. ठीक है? Two-way track, horizontal as well as vertical. So first of all, I will tell you the horizontal method. अगर तो पेपर में मेथड मेंशन नहीं है तो गो विद द वर्टिकल मेथड इन केस ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन एडिशन, दैट इज बेटर. अगर मेंशन है तो अकॉर्डिंगली यू हैव टू डू. हॉरिजॉन्टल मेथड कैसे करते हैं? आपको याद है आपने जब इंटीजर्स को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना सीखा था, इट वाज टोल्ड सब्ट्रैक्ट 5 फ्रॉम 8. फ्रॉम के बाद वाली चीज हम पहले लिखते थे, याद है ना सबको? इसी तरह से इन algebraic expression also will follow the same line of action. Whatever is written after from, that will come forward. इसको पहले ले. ठीक है? एंड फ्रॉम के पहले वाली चीज को नीचे. हॉरिजॉन्टल है, माइनस करना है हमें. माइनस, whenever minus is there, you have to start the bracket. From के बाद वाली चीज पहले, from के पहले वाली चीज बाद में, ब्रैकेट में आएगी. This is, I am writing it in horizontal way. Now, first of all, open the bracket. Write the terms as it is. Minus 5x square plus 4y square minus 6y plus 3. ठीक होगी बात? Now, as we are doing horizontal method, like terms को combine करो. 7x square minus 5x square. combine हो गई. Minus 4xy एक्स वाई किसी में है और किसी में नहीं, ये के लिया 8y स्क्वायर प्लस 4y स्क्वायर इकट्ठी हो गई. Like terms are to be settled, combined. Then it is 5x. No one is like this. Minus 3y minus 6y plus 3. We have arranged the like terms accordingly. Now let us solve it. Seven x square minus 5x square will become 2x square minus 4xy as it is. इसके जैसा कोई नहीं. Plus 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 8y square plus 4y square will become 12y square. बड़ा 8 है, साइन 8 का होगा यानी कि प्लस का. Plus 5x as it is. Sign match up. Minus minus plus 6y and 3y become 9y. बड़ा 6 तो साइन माइनस का. लास्ट में प्लस. This we did with the help of horizontal method. Now we will start the same with the help of वर्टिकल मेथड. वर्टिकल मेथड से हम सब्ट्रैक्शन कैसे करते हैं, लेट मी टेल. Vertical method of subtraction. Let us start with, in case of vertical method, rule will remain the same. Subtract this from this. Whatever is written after from, that you will write in first. That you will write firstly. ठीक है, वो हमने पहले लिखते हैं. Whatever is written after from, that will be written firstly. Now like terms are to be arranged. 7x square के नीचे 5x square minus 4xy जैसी कोई है इसमें नहीं, छोड़ दो. 8y square जैसा minus 4y square. 5x जैसा कोई है, x वाली कोई टर्म है इसमें, x वाली इसमें कोई टर्म है नहीं, छोड़ दो. minus 3y, this is 6y. अब जो इसकी टर्म बच गई है उसको देखो, टिक जरूर लगाना है अरेंज करने पर, ताकि आपको पता चल जाए ये बच रही है. ये बच रही है ना -3 यानी कि कांस्टेंट. इसमें कोई है तो इसको पीछे लिख. Like terms are to be arranged. That is very important step, whether we are doing horizontal or we are doing vertical method. Now as we are doing subtraction, that means we have to write change the sign. प्लस में हमने साइन नहीं ना चेंज किए थे, माइनस में we have to change the sign. Let me tell you how to change the sign. Sign will be changed according to the second line. Here it is minus, you will write it to be plus. It is plus then minus, minus then plus, plus then minus. ठीक है, साइंस चेंज हो जाते होते हैं. माइनस है तो प्लस, प्लस है तो माइनस, माइनस है तो प्लस, प्लस है तो माइनस. चलिए नाउ सी. नाउ अगर आपसे कोई पूछे व्हाट इज द साइन ऑफ 3 प्लस, व्हाट इज द साइन ऑफ 6, व्हाट इज द साइन ऑफ 4, ये सिर्फ रिश्ते थे. रिश्ते आते हैं, मदद करके चले जाते हैं, बाद में लाइफ उसने अपने आप बितानी है. ये इसके साइन हो गए. दिस बिकम्स +3. कोई भी नहीं है तो +3. Now first of all match up the sign. Minus minus plus 6y and 3y. प्लस करेंगे तो कितने y बन जाएंगे? 9y. Which one is bigger? 6. Sign is of minus. 5x वैसे का वैसा ही नीचे आ रहा है. Match of the sign. Plus plus 8 plus 4 12. Which one is bigger? 8. Sign is of 8. This comes as it is. Match of the sign. Plus minus minus. 7x square minus 5x square will become 2x square. Which one is bigger? 7. Sign is of plus. So I hope that you have understood that what is the vertical method, what is the horizontal method of addition and subtraction. We'll continue with the practice of the same questions tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye.